College Munipibro, Laitkam Artalik Post for District Office of the District and Session Judge Shillong, Kadeka walk interview, taking a page Yaganamda. Applications are invited in start form from eligible candidates who are citizens of India for a walk-in interview, for appointment on contractual basis for a period of 1 year, for manning eSEWA Kendras at a fixed monthly remuneration of 15,000 katulom. Only on the 9 August kan mau kadika work interview public direct pihak kadika khandai tarik August arjar sau kadika Friday tegi post kilong kawai ke post kadika office of the district and session judge Shillong berkawai ke post kadika office of the judge magistrate first class Sora subdivision. Nature of work, handling inquiries about case status, next date of hearing, or detail, facility application, facilitate tadater, kibun gini kikam kibari bantrai. Take qualification benda, bachelor degree from any recognized university with diploma in computer. Have that diploma, DCA in computer application from a recognized institute having working in computer knowledge. Take that degree, but that computer kila apply. Candidate shall be not less than 18 years and not more than 32 years. The plus son's name kan long wait life news name nam taki STSC kan proud life news name. The registration date will start from 10 a.m. kan mau kan dai tarik kan sedang shipo waje adu khatwe sitang followed by interview. Ha katu singi kan page kin registrar kan page document nada long kan direct interview katu singi. Kajaka ka the office of the district and session judge Shillong hi hapo Shillong kan mau wan lej ha katu ka office. Preference will be given to the local candidates. Kan mau bang ne tolpa ban ai be ki local candidate na po is khas hill kabare sora na sora kabare Shillong na po Shillong. General instruction. Candidate are to fill in all the detail in the standard form. Kibukwa ban apply kaya pandap ilang baka standard form along with recent passport size photograph and supporting document. Incomplete applications are summarily rejected. The candidate should bring their original document. Maru bakadai ka work interview kan mau ban right original document rengkat batki Xerox self-attested copies. No registration will be allowed after 11:30 a.m. Kan mau ba apo Islam ya kapor tam ya kaya khadwistang kimla syu ban sya ban register. Tangkini higijing betip, keprejuan.